Yeah, dumb traffic. Definitely gonna be at work late. Already 6 minutes late. And look at this Tesla just being dumb. Look at this Tesla right there. Y'all see him? Hey, how people drive dumb. Look at all that traffic. Up in here. Truck's cutting up. Of course, this slams on his brakes. There'll be a whole school bus behind a car and still slam on their brakes. And you're like, say he's that far from me, right? This is a car and a half distance. If he slams on his brakes and I slam on mine, you feel me? Yeah, you know, I got enough distance to come to a stop. But it's like, bro, you're having me slam on my brakes when you have way more than enough time to slowly come to a stop instead of slamming on your shit. This nigga is slamming on his brakes, like slamming on them. That's why all these cars on this lane is cruising, and he's the only one that's slamming on his shit. Look, y'all see what I'm talking about? This shit is yeah, this guy is pissing me off. He's gonna piss me off. Fuck. God damn it. Yeah, you just gotta get through these drivers. You know, you got a bunch of idiots that's driving on these roads that don't know how to drive their vehicles at all. It's not hard to drive. I just don't understand how people don't know how to drive their car, because it's easy. If you can't drive, you're just honestly a dumbass at this point, because driving is so easy. Like, bro, you can teach anybody how to drive, so I don't understand how some of these boomers and old heads can't drive their vehicle and they've been alive 40 fucking years. It don't make no sense. I've been alive 20 less years than them, and I drive better than half these older people, bro. Shit's be like, it just be insane. Look at that. You see what I'm talking about? Just people causing traffic for no reason. It's always like that. It's always people driving slow, causing all this traffic. It's like one person will see one car hit a brake, and then the next person, and then the next person. It's like follow the leader. I swear, it's like follow the leader. Everybody in this world always follows one person in traffic, bro. It's crazy to me. I don't know. That's my little rant while I'm driving, you know. Trying to give y'all a little POV, add a little bit of talking, and, you know, just see you guys' opinion. Let me turn this music all the way up. And see you guys' opinion, because a lot of people cannot drive, bro. Like, it's insane to me. Absolutely insane to me. Because watch, I'm telling you, look at this. You see like all these gaps in here. Like if I wanted to drive like a real dumbass right now, I really would. I would really start hitting gaps. But the only reason I'm really not driving like a dumbass is because I need 2 new front tires. You feel me? They're becoming real bald. So I'm like, yeah, I gotta slow my ass down, you know, and cruise. I can't be speeding. It's gonna open up here soon, and we'll finally be able to get around all these dumbasses, bro. I hate people with a passion, man. It's about to open up here. It always does. It's always traffic right there, because people just don't know how to drive. See, you see like people like this in this fucking Scion that don't know what they're doing. It's a fucking idiot right there. I hate people like that, bro. See the dick in me, I would have cut him off. But I'm trying not to be that guy no more. You know what I'm saying? I'm really trying not to be that guy no more around idiots that cannot drive. But yes, y'all see what I'm talking about? No traffic. No traffic. Just people driving like straight fucking dumbasses, bro. The speed limit is 70 miles an hour. Do I gotta prove my point? It's not gonna pop up. Usually the speed limit will pop up right there. But the speed limit is 70 miles an hour. Why the fuck are we going 55? Why are we going 60? My boy, drive your vehicle. You feel me? Like, oh, I can't stand it how many pussies there are in the mornings, bro. Like, bro, we're all trying to get to work. My nigga, drive your car. You feel me? It's not hard, gang. It's not hard. I'm not saying go 110 miles an hour, but at least do the speed limit. Like, holy shit. You're gonna go slower than the speed limit. There's only so much gas you can save, my nigga. Like, holy fuck. Get the fuck out my way. You know what I'm saying? My bad for this little, you know, morning little rant. But damn, I know I'm not the only one that be feeling this in the morning. You feel me? Y'all let me know. I know I can't be the only one feeling this. But look at that beautiful ass sunset, bro. Look at that beautiful ass sunset. I know y'all are feeling that right there. But yeah, man, we're cruising. Y'all see empty fucking freeway, bro. Empty freeway. If it was like this, I wouldn't have been late. If everybody would just get out my way, you feel me? Or just drive their vehicle, I wouldn't be late, bro. Clear. Look at the freeway. There's not traffic till all the way up there, and they're all moving still. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Just people just don't know how to drive, bro. Shit's insane. But yeah, man, that is a little video of us, you know, doing the morning POV drive to work. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe. You know, we're trying to grow this channel, and I'm gonna be trying to drop more POVs often. This one is on the actual camera, so you guys let me know if you guys enjoy this footage more or my phone footage. I think my phone footage gives a wider angle to see, so you guys will be able to see that. Hold on, there's a truck smashing. Y'all see that truck in my rear view right there? Hey, he's on my ass. I'm going 82. He's on my ass. You know, y'all see him in the rear view? I don't know if it's gonna pick up, but yeah, he's right there. He's on my ass. But it's alright, I'm slowing down just in case. You feel me? Can't go too fast. You know, 80 to 82 and a 70. That's cooling. Police won't pull you over that much. You feel me? In California, at least, on the freeway or highway, you can pass with about 81, 82. Anything over than that, yeah, they're on your ass. You feel me? So go ahead and drop down to that good old 77, 78 miles an hour. And we already caught up with, you know, normal traffic, so we're good. We really don't got to worry about nothing. Now we can just go to the same speed as normal traffic. But like I was saying, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be trying to drop POVs every couple of days or every week. I really don't know my schedule over here yet. I do have other YouTube channels that I'm running as well, so yeah, I'm just doing this one strictly for fun, strictly for, you know, the car, and, you know, to see what you guys think and want me to do to the Q, because this shit is not cheap, brother. The shit is not cheap. You feel me? Paying for the car and trying to pay for parts when parts are more than the car itself is absolutely insane. But like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch